Welcome to Little Elves Workshops. If you don't know me, my name is Nina, and if you know me, hello, welcome back. We haven't done a video for a long time, but I wanted to make these anyway, so I thought it'd be good to do a video. These are sweetie cones, and they are traditional from Germany, and parents give these sweetie cones to their children on their first day of school, so their very first day of school usually. These I'm making for my daughter and her friends who are actually going into year 10, so they're well used to being at school, but it's just a nice thing to do anyway. And perhaps you know somebody who's starting school, maybe they're a little bit worried about it, maybe you could make one of these for them, that'd be really nice. So there's a German name for these, and it begins with S, something like oh no, that's not right.
Something like Schultüte.
Yeah, toot sweets or something. But perhaps we'll put that in the description, because I don't know how to say it, and I don't want to offend anybody by getting it completely wrong, which I know I have already. So what you will need are some yummy sweeties that you think that they would like. You might have to check then, if it's for somebody who's not in your family and you want to make one, perhaps you need to check with their parents to see what sweeties they're allowed or what they're allergic to, etc. And also it can depend on, you know, what shop you want to go in to get them. But I'm sure you can sort that fine. You've probably got some sweeties at home that you can share with them. You will need some pretty card or paper. So I have this pretty wallpaper already. It just, I think it was just like in a bargain bin in a like a home base or a B&Q or something like that. So I got it quite cheaply, but it depends what you've got at home really. And this is what you'll use to form your cone shape. Now I've cut mine down because you can see if I made this into a cone, I'm sure the children would absolutely love it, but I don't have as many sweeties that would fit a cone that would be like that size or more. I'm sure they have them. I'm sure in Germany they probably do things like this. And what that you could also do, if they're big like this, you could put like, I mean it depends how much money you want to go. If you really wanted to go to town, you could fill it with all sorts of presents. You could go to Smiggle or something. Oh, I don't know if they have Smiggle in Germany, but something like that. And then you could put all like your stationery bits, your rulers, your pencils, your erasers, and you could really make a huge present from it. We're not being that generous today. I think we're being quite generous because they're quite a nice size, the cones that we're doing. And I've cut mine down, and you will get to know as you sort of twist it around how you want to cut it. I've cut mine at an angle so that you get the, I'll show you, so you get this angular bit at the back, like this. And I'm going to start curling it round now. What I've also done is I have double-sided sellotape here, because we have all the bits and bobs that you would probably ever need in a craft shop. So I have double-sided here, but if you just have sellotape, what you would do is form your cone and then just add bits of tape over it just to hold it in its place. Right, so I'm going to try, while you're watching me, to get a nice smooth cone. That's my sticky back come off there. And I'm going to try and twiddle it round and make a nice shape. Nice and thin at the bottom and thicker at the top. You probably do this better than I do. Done it. So we have this shape now. It's just nice cone shape. Now we've got to do the sweetie bit. And I'm going to use some really pretty tissue paper. And you could use, maybe you've got some wrapping paper you could use if you don't have some tissue paper, or some cellophane, you know, like you see the sweeties in cellophane, the clear plastic. Maybe you have some of that somewhere. So I'm going to make this into a sort of cone shape as well, because I want to put the tissue paper in before I add the sweets, because I can imagine making a right mess of this and not putting it in the cone first, and then the sweets just fall out of the place. That down like this. Fold it over at the bottom, so because there is a bit of a hole here, don't want the sweets falling out the bottom. Then I'm going to slide that in. That's nice, that's slid all the way in, and also it's nice, it's coming out the top, just because I think it looks really pretty if it's like bunched at the top. Right, now it's sweetie time. I'm going to start, because it's the smallest amount of room at the bottom, I'm going to start with the smallest sweeties. So I'm going to put these in. Nice. Then I think we're going to go for some squashies. And then we're going to go for some, oh, happy bone. Okay, and more squashies. Bubble custard flavour. Is that all of them? And then I will finish with the biggest sweeties that we have, the marshmallows. Cool. Done. Right, so now we can scrunch up at the top. I'm sure I can fiddle around with that, make it look a bit prettier there. And add some ribbon. I like the purple because it goes with the purple rose there. Also, I had, you might have some at home, some gift tags. These I thought went really well with this paper, butterflies, and I couldn't decide where to put it. So I've got it on two different places there. I could put it here, which looks nice, or I could put it, oh, it definitely looks better there. Let's put it down there. And then you would put their name and your name on it if you wanted to. Lovely, and I think you're going to be really happy with that. Would you? Like it? Okay, so give it a go. And if you really wanted to, you know, you might have some sweeties left over, you can make one for yourself. That might be a good idea, mightn't it? Okay, so take care everybody. Lots of love. Bye, hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.